Hey, I thought I'd do a quick video. I came home today to a pleasant surprise from Paleo Greenbyrd. I had a box in the mail, so looks like Christmas came early. I'm going to see what we got. Oh, this might take a while to get open too. This looks like a point here that Greenbyrd said he dropped while he was napping it. And broke it. I think we can all say, Josh, that we've definitely been there before. Well, that was looking really good there for a while too, Josh. I can almost feel your disappointment through it. I think there's definitely some points there. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Let's set it over there for now. Let's see. Looks like a piece of novaculite. We're going to switch knives. Mount will be here all evening. Oh yeah, well, that's some nice looking novaculite. Really cool colors. I had a little bit of this at one point. They had these little dots in there like that. So I'm definitely gracious to get another piece of that. That's nice. Another novaculite. Yeah, that's more of that nice striped stuff. See a nice band running through it. This is unlabeled. Walnut stain. All right. I remember your video on that. Get it open. I mean, there's no need to open the jar, but it's a nice quart of walnut stain. Genuine walnut stain, I should add. We either have MO or OW. This MO for mahogany. Look at that pretty piece. I really like this. It's one of my favorite looking pieces of rock, but for some reason I never have much luck with it, but we'll see if maybe that luck might change with this. Oh wow, nice little slab. Can't tell from the light in here. I know you've been doing a lot of rainbow work. I'm assuming that maybe that's some rainbow. Plant ridge. Now we do love the Flint ridge. Yeah, nice little black piece. A little bit of red in it. I don't know if that's showing up very well. Oh, this is like a Cousin Eddie package here. It just keeps on giving. First one is some rhyolite. I have never ever attempted to work any of them. Nice little banded piece, some greens, some reds. Oh, cool. Nice little arrowhead that Josh has done. It's nice work, Josh. I assume it's on a piece of sugar cane. That's what it looks like, or some kind of reed. But yeah, that is really nice. Really cool. Feels really thin. Yeah, wow. That is some really cool work. And that is thin. I'm talking really thin. It looks like, yeah, it's definitely some rainbow. I can catch it sometimes with my light. You can kind of see a little of the greens there, but yeah, really nice. Another flake of vermiculite. Another flake of vermiculite. Not sure what the black is. Whether it's more rhyolite, maybe. I'm not sure. It smells kind of burnt. This is a top runner. Pretty small mahogany. Flakes. Some more flakes of vermiculite. Yeah, another slab. I can see. I know you probably can't tell here, but you can see the banding. Looks like the rainbow on this already. And in the sawn form. But I really have fun with the couple slabs that I've had. I've not done a lot of slabs. But it was fun. I did enjoy it. I just want to say thank you, Josh. That was a great gift box. I appreciate everything that's in it. And I know I've told you this before personally, but I'll just say it again. I mean, you were very instrumental when I first started napping on your video. I believe it was titled "First Time Ever Working in Georgetown," but you were the one that really made it clear what a platform was on a piece of rock. I mean, I didn't have a clue what a platform was from anything else, and you made it more clear than anybody could, and I appreciate that, and I'll never forget that. And I want to thank you again. Thank you for your generosity, and wish you a Merry Christmas, and wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And if you're out there, you've not seen Josh's channel, it's Paleo Greenbyrd. He spelled bird B-Y-R-D. So Paleo Greenbyrd, check out his channel. And we just thank you. Thanks again, Josh. See ya.